Will continue to monitor the heaters and say they hope the issue will be resolved soon. They also say space heaters should be plugged directly into the wall and far away from items that could easily catch on fire, like blankets and clothes. Chilly weekend. I know we've had that snow, now we're just getting that icy cold weather. We're going to find out more about it. Storm Center 7 meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux here to tell us more about it.
Thank you. Yeah, we're not quite done with we're done with the snow generally, but there were a few flurries this morning. There are still a few flurries, but not enough to impact us like the other day. We will see likely some flurries on your windshield, also some new snowpack, very light snowpack on the roads, but beyond that, we're out of the main event here, but now we're getting down to the cold temperatures. Right now, 11 degrees outside, winds out of the west, about 12 miles per hour, and otherwise, looking at some good visibility, but even some light wind is making it feel very cold. Right now, feels like 0 in Troy, feels like below 0, 3 degrees below 0 in Dayton. Why does it feel like that? What's the difference? What's the wind chill versus the actual temperature? Well, I like to explain it this way. You know, when you're in the shower, you get out of the shower, you feel cold. That's because you got a lot of water on your skin evaporating. That evaporation, that's what makes you cold. That's why you sweat. You sweat when you're hot, the sweat evaporates, you feel cooler. Well, that's sort of the same idea. The wind blows against your skin, it evaporates whatever moisture is there, makes it feel cold. So it feels below 0 in many places here across the Miami Valley. What to expect here over the next couple days? Tapering flurries this morning. There's a light layer on the road, so be aware of that. Might have to brush your windshield again. Cold with highs in the low 20s. That's about it. And then we'll likely get down to the single digits again tonight with more temperatures feeling below 0. And then perhaps a little bit more seasonable into the next several days, highs in the 30s, but we got to get through a cold Saturday. So today you can expect temperatures to climb up very, very slowly. We'll start off with some more clouds probably than sun in the late morning hours, but then by the afternoon we should see a little bit more sunshine with temperatures climbing into the teens, and I think we'll just barely break the low 20s today, so we're going to stay below freezing. Really not going to have a chance for any of that snow to melt. Maybe if we're lucky tomorrow with temperatures barely getting above freezing, but today high of 20 degrees, a cold day, partly cloudy skies, and light wind. Even if the wind is light, it's still going to make it feel, again, very, very cold. But we should see a little bit of sunshine poking through, hopefully. As we move into the next several hours across the Miami Valley, you can see a lot of that cloud cover here in the morning, but then it breaks up by the afternoon. Not completely, so we will see some cloud cover along with the sunshine. No snow in the forecast, so things do look dry. And then as we move into Monday, maybe a little bit of fog, it depends, but looking at some mostly cloudy skies. So into the next several days, you can see 20 degrees for the high today, up to 34 Sunday with a little bit more sunshine, and then kind of some off and on clouds throughout the week, highs remaining in the 30s, and then as we get closer to Thursday and Friday, we're actually looking at a chance for at least a light mix, and still several days out, but you'll notice that the temperatures are above freezing those days, so it's cold enough to maybe see a few flakes mixed in there, but there's a chance for some rain as well. So we do warm up, quote unquote, slightly into the next several days, but we got to get through today, which is going to be a cold one, Candace.
All right, we'll just have to be patient. Still to come on News Center 7 Saturday.